Hello, it has been a while. For nearly a century, theoretical physics has been haunted by a set of magic numbers. We know the proton to electron mass ratio with extraordinary precision. We know the fine structure constant. The standard model uses these numbers perfectly. Yet when you ask why they have exactly these values, the honest answer is almost always we don't know. They are parameters. This gap exists because of the foundational assumption made over a century ago that the vacuum of space is empty, a smooth, frictionless void, and in that picture, distance is just geometry. But what if distance itself carries mechanical resistance? And before you ask why doesn't it slow down the speed of light, light can pass through mediums and not slow down. Think of light going through glass. The unified geometric theory proposes that spacetime is not an empty coordinate system. It is a highly tensed conformal fluid metric. For pressure to distribute evenly in 3 dimensions, the fluid naturally settles into the highest finite rotational symmetry, the A sub 5 icosahedral group. This gives the universe a base 60 transmission lattice. In a tense discrete lattice, perfect symmetry is unstable. Resonances will compound until the wave ruptures the fluid. To stable trapped energy, the wave must spontaneously break symmetry. Variational analysis in an A sub 5 lattice shows the lowest energy stable configuration is the asymmetric winding known as the 533 node. Because this knot is asymmetric inside a rigid lattice, it produces unavoidable geometric boundary friction. This torsion shifts the phase of the surrounding fluid macroscopically. We experience the resulting pressure gradient as gravity, a Venturi-style draft in the metric. When this boundary torsion is applied to the 533 geometry, the famous constants of physics emerge naturally as geometric ratios. The fine structure constant and proton-to-mass ratio appear as projections of the node interacting with the fluid, no longer purely free parameters. This geometry appears self-similar at cosmic scales. Unified geometric theory suggests the universe is not an expanding balloon into nothingness, but a macroscopic topological soliton structured like a Prince Rupert's drop. Apologize if I pronounce the word incorrectly. It is Soliton. The bulbous head is under enormous compression. The thin tail is under extreme tension. Break the tail and the entire structure catastrophically releases. The universe may behave similarly. This model offers a natural explanation of the Hubble tension. What we interpret as cosmic expansion may actually be slow cavitation, internal metric tension bleeding down the topological tail. These ideas are formalized in a master action that combines continuous fluid strain with topological winding. In the macroscopic limit, it recovers general relativity. The full framework and derivate, derivations are publicly available on Zenodo. Physics has lived with magic numbers long enough. The universe may be a continuous mechanical system governed by geometry and fluid dynamics. The math is public, the challenge is open. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.